did this week in class. So for our beginner class, we started with our basic stuff. Leader turn, lady turn. Leader's pizza, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, regular. And then we also did leads turn, changing hands behind the back. 1, change 2, 3, back step, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead with a shoulder check. 1, 2, 3. Pull on 5. Turn 6, stop the shoulder, 7. We both step forward. 1, turn around, 2, 3. You're going to have ladies walk forward, gentlemen walk with your lady. 5, 6, 7. Guys, point left, ladies point left. 1, 2, come back in 3. Outside turn with the right hand. 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you're done with beginner class. So now we'll move on to the advanced combination. Guys, pizza hand in the beginning. Right hand turn to the neck. Face your partner. Go down. 5, 6, 7. Ladies, you can put that hand on your waist and booty roll when you see the guy going down like that. We get right to right. Switch turn on the 2. 1, switch 2, 3. Get both the ladies' shoulders, inside turn. 5, 6. Keep connected to the shoulders. 7. We both back step. 1, 2, 3. Outside turn away from you. 5, 6, 7. Hand throw. Down, up, 2, 3. Inside turn. 5, 6, 7. To the waist. Important, you gotta guide the lady forward so she doesn't backstep. Hammer lock with the left. Forward. 1, hammer lock, 2, 3. Inside turn for the lady. Pull her that way. 5, 6, 7. Min turn 7. Okay. And then cross body lead, hair comb for the guys. Open break. 5, 6, 7. Back step. 1, connect, 2, 3. To the shoulder. 6, 7. And back left. Taking hands off and overhead. Inside turn. Basic. And you're done. So that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. And give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody.